Hello, my name is Radu and I will present you the Autobilling cash flow module. This is a feature that basically generates all invoices for a specific period of time and selected creditors, and then generates a report with the amounts of each invoice and total amounts. The interface also presents with a Google line chart that can be altered to group the amounts by periods, 1 week, 2 weeks, 1 month, for easier analysis of the cash flow. When you enter this page, you have the possibility of requesting a new cash flow report. Keep in mind that you can only have one request active per user, meaning that until the first request is calculated by the service, you will not be able to ask for another report unless you delete the old one. The service runs daily at nighttime because invoice generation and calculations are resource intensive and could not be done on demand. I will now create a new schedule. Select creditors, the due date and start date between which you want the report generated, and then select a schedule date. This is the day you want the schedule delivered to you. Schedule name is only an informational field in which you can describe the requested report for easier access. After pressing insert, we can see the modifications. Now, after the report was generated, when accessing the invoice cash flow page, you will see two new actions in the requested reports grid for the generated report. Grid and chart. Also, the export button is now enabled. By pressing grid, you will see the report in a grid-like view, like this. And by pressing chart, you will see a chart with the detailed report by creditor and another chart called chart period that groups all the amounts for all creditors by periods, 1 week, 2 weeks, and 1 month. The export button simply returns a CSV file with the detailed data of each invoice generated. Note that the latest schedule generated will be the first in the list and also by default displayed in the charts.